Hey all, Shawnyrick here, and I just wanted to show you how get inside the deck here on the Varla Eagle One V2 in case you had to ever troubleshoot anything. The first thing you got to do is, of course, always very carefully take up the grip tape like so. Now, speaking of the grip tape, you guys do get 2 or 3 extras in the box, just like I did when ordering your scooter. And unfortunately, when you do take grip tape off, you generally can't put the same grip tape back on. I've heard some people try it, but it doesn't work out, so just use a new one. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to use is a 2.5mm Allen wrench to go ahead and get the deck screws off. Super simple to do. These newer versions are amazing to get into, super easy with no problems at all. So basically, on top of the version 2 deck here, you only have 10 total screws to get undone. 3 on each of the sides, like I'm doing now, and then there's 2 on the top and the bottom there. So a total of 10 screws that you have to get undone all together. Then once that's done, all you have to do is just use a knife or a straight edge screwdriver to pull up the sides of the lid there, and then as you can see, the rubber gasket comes right off with the lid and stays on top of the lid. Alright, so now that it's open, let's take a look inside and let's troubleshoot and check our fuses and all that good stuff. So the first thing you should always do whenever you're dealing with an issue with your scooter, this is for any scooter, not just because I'm filming the version 2 right now. If you're having trouble with, like, say your LCD screen not working right, or a rear hub motor or a front hub motor, or your inside controllers there, or even your battery, is to always open up your deck and look at your fuses. And as you can see right now, it's easy. You just pull out the main wires there, and you see the little black caps here. Those are where the fuses are. And then all you have to do is just check each one. You want to check for burn marks. The metal inside the fuse has popped or disconnected. Now you may notice that as you pull the fuses out, you might think that they're bad because there's slight play between the 2 prongs, but don't be alarmed by that. As long as there's no burn marks or that the metal is not separated, the fuses are fine, and just plug them back in. So far on this scooter, everything's checking out perfectly. So then the next thing you're going to want to do is, after you get your fuses checked out and they all look okay, is you want to kind of just pull the rest of the wires out a little bit. Make sure that all the wires are connected together where they're supposed to be. All the yellow connectors are connected together for the battery, for the charging port, your hub controllers inside, and just make sure everything looks good and is crisp and there's no broken wires or disconnections in there. If everything looks good, then that's all you need to worry about, and you know that at least the troubleshooting now that you've done by taking off the deck is finished, and that should be easier for you to resolve any other issues that you're going to have with your scooter.